If you create content for your business, your team, or your clients, you already know the hardest part isn't recording. It's everything that happens after. Editing takes too long. Tools get complicated. And half the time, you just need something simple that looks clean and professional. That's where Veed.io stands out. It takes the friction out of video editing so you can move faster and create more. Veed is an online editor built for real people, not film crews. You open your browser, upload your video, and start working immediately. No software to install, no steep learning curve. You can edit in minutes. Instead of talking about every button, here are the parts that make the biggest difference. 1, it's fast and easy to use. The layout is simple. Cutting, trimming, adding text, transitions, and music all happen in a couple clicks. You don't fight the tool, it just works. 2, captions are automatic and accurate. This matters because captions increase watch time across every platform. Veed generates them instantly, and you can edit any line right in the timeline. 3, social resizing saves hours. Take one video and convert it into formats for YouTube, Shorts, Reels, TikTok, or LinkedIn with a single click. You don't need to rebuild anything. It reformats automatically. 4, the AI tools handle the tedious work. Background noise removal, voice translation, audio cleanup, script generation, even full video creation from a simple prompt. These features remove the busy work so you can focus on the message. 5, collaboration is built in. Instead of sending giant files back and forth, your team can comment, edit, and approve videos in one shared workspace. Clean and simple. You spend less time editing and more time creating. You get consistent, professional video without hiring an editor. And you can turn one piece of content into many pieces for every platform you use. That's the real value. Speed, clarity, and a tool that stays out of your way. Veed keeps pricing simple. The Lite plan is $12 a month, which gives you watermark-free videos, HD exports, a full stock library, and plenty of monthly subtitle minutes. The Pro plan is $29 a month, and that's where you unlock the features most creators end up wanting. Things like unlimited videos in the AI studio, studio-quality AI tools, more translation options, and higher monthly caption limits. And if you're running a full team or need advanced controls, the Enterprise plan is a custom option under Let's Talk. You can try Veed for free with no credit card. Then, if you need HD exports, longer captions, advanced AI tools, or team features, the paid plans unlock everything. The best part is, you don't have to guess. You can open it up, test the workflow, and see if it fits what you need in just a few minutes. If you want to start creating faster, cleaner video without the editing headache, Veed is worth a look. I'll drop a link in the description so you can try it free.